Now we got the current one, which spin me this way. Ooh, something's coming out. Was that? No. That's just the current coming off the rock. Come on, weed. Why? Why does it feel like this is wrapped up around the tip? I think because it is. Yeah, no, it's good. Ooh, there's one. There's one. Oh, he's just a little guy. Oh man, he's small. He wants to pull hooks in me. You know he does. You know he does. He got it in the stomach. He got it in the mouth. Sorry, little fella. I really am. There you go. He's tiny. Oh, and it went in the net. Why does this happen to me? Why couldn't it just go over the top? You know? Ow, and it's in the finger. Come on. How does this happen? All I did was catch a little fish and let him go. I didn't even hurt him. He wasn't bleeding. And now we get, that's why I put holes in this net. I know it is. 'Cause once this gets caught in there, man, it's like, you ain't getting it out unless you're just cutting the shit. That's just ridiculous. Oh, fish jumped right there too. And I'm over here stuck like an idiot. Alright. We're cutting. I don't like this net anyway. It's a pain right in the dick. And that's why I got holes in my net. Because you make rookie mistakes. And you let your lure hit the stupid net. Well, I did see a fish jump over there, but I think I found a big one out in the middle. Ooh, that's a fighter. Come on, big boy. Come on, big boy. No? Did I just hit him weird? Oh, there's two of them. There's three of them. There's a whole bunch of them. Oh, he's a cool one. He's got like silver on his belly. Or something like that. Don't do it. Don't you freaking do it, bro. Don't do it. Come on. All right. There we go. Don't go in the net. So we got another smallie. I thought he was bigger, but there was a couple with him. Let's see if I could sit right here without the current taking me away. We gotta back up a little. threw a crankbait on, threw it back in that hole where that little guy was hitting, and he bit it. He actually doesn't seem too bad. Is there another one with him? Oh, there is. Look at it. There was a couple with him. Oh, he's a fighter. Look at him go. See if I can get the other one up here with him. See if you guys can see him. Oh, he hit the kayak. Look at him go. I don't see the other one. Alright. I don't really like flipping them like that with trebles, but you know, sometimes you gotta live on the edge. So let's see if we can unhook him without him spazzing out. Oh, I don't like how that happened. Maybe if I get him here. Please don't do nothing stupid. Alright, got him. Let's get that hook at him. There we go. That little guy. There was two of them in there. On the crank. I think it's a Berkeley. Square bill, 3.5 foot diver. Worked pretty good. Let's see if we can get that other guy to come out. See if we can get him to bite. There was a couple. About the same size. Ain't getting nothing of real size in here, you know. I mean, it is the river. I guess they really don't get a chance to chill out and grow real big. I don't know. Oh. That was a little off. Feels good being in the shade though, man. That sun will really heat you up in 2 seconds. This guy's calling for his dog in the woods for about 20 minutes now. He hasn't found him. He probably ran away, dude. That dog's probably way up there somewhere. Dang. Really? There it goes. I have the hardest time casting in that little hole. I mean, why? It should be a simple little whing, and it's in there. Just like that. That's all I wanted. I guess that other fish said, nah, I saw what happened to you. I'm not biting that stupid thing. So whopper, plopper, and crankbait. That's what works right here. But then again, like I said, it was nothing of size. Still fun to catch though. Strong little fish. River smallies. So strong. I fished this one. Alright guys, my GoPro died. I had to plug it in, so I got a cord hooked to it. I think I found the bigger smallies. Oh yeah. I mean, he ain't huge, but man, he's a nice one. We'll take that guy. We'll take that guy out here in the middle. Oh. What's up, buddy? What's up, buddy? I don't get no hook in my leg, man. That don't make it for a good day. All right. He's got like freaking trebles. Got you. Yeah. I got you, buddy. You got trebles everywhere. There we go. There we go. He's a bigger one. He ain't huge. What a fighter. I love it. I got him out here in the middle. Around these pads and stuff with a crank. See if we get any more. This guy's still calling for his dog in the woods, so if you hear a guy yelling, yeah, it's him. But my battery's dead, dying, charging, so I gotta shut it back off until I hook into another one. Ooh, there's one. Oh, he spit me. That was like slow motion. He fucking spit me. Oh, that's a bad cast. It's weird. Going backwards against this current. He spit me. Dang it. Well, there goes the seagull, but there's two cormorants chilling up in that tree, looking for some bait fish. I'm just casting along this water chestnuts along the middle, and I'm casting along the edge until I can make my way back to the truck. So I think I'm gonna call it a day. And if I catch something else, I'll turn it back on. But yeah, cormorants. Oh, 3 of them. 1, 2, 3. Pretty cool.